Hello friends, welcome to Computer Byte. In today's video, we'll be going to learn about circle. The shortcut for circle command is C enter. We can simply take this command from the draw menu and here from draw also. Okay, let's start. But before starting, I want you to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Draw, circle, center and radius. First I'll click, this is the center, then I'll move the mouse and whatever radius I want I'll click. This is done without any value of the radius, but now I'm going to give it a specific radius. Draw, circle, center and radius, click. Now this center has been shown. 5 feet value, I'll give it a radius of 5 feet, enter. This is a circle of 5 feet radius. How do we measure the radius of the circle? For this I'll use radius dimension. DRA is the shortcut for this command, and we can pick this from the dimension menu as well. This is the radius command. Click on the circle, move the mouse, and you can take it anywhere. Radius 5. Now if we want to circle on a certain diameter, draw, circle, center and diameter. Click here and then give it a value for 12 feet now, enter. This is a radius which is on 12 feet diameter. You can measure the diameter from the dimension menu. The keyboard shortcut for this command is DDI. Click on the circle, move the mouse and click. You can see that the diameter is shown and the diameter symbol is made and the value is shown of 12 feet. You can measure the diameter of any circle with this command. Okay. Now if there's a shape in which we want our circle to fit in, then I'll take draw, circle and tangent, tangent, tangent. Click on one line, click on second, click on third. The circle will fit in that shape. But if we want this circle around this shape, then we'll go to draw, circle and 3 points. Click on this point and this. We can also surround a rectangle using this command. Take a square or a rectangle, draw, circle and 3 points. 1, 2, 3. If we want our circle to surround a line, simple line, I draw a line here. Now draw, circle, 2 points. Click on one, click on second end of the line. The circle will be drawn. If we want a circle on a specific radius and tangent to 2 points or 2 lines, then take 2 lines. They shouldn't be parallel. One side is wide, so these are not parallel, but is the difference between them? It's about 6 feet. Okay, now come to draw menu, circle, and tangent, tangent, and radius. Click on one line, then the second, and then give it a value. I'm entering 6 feet here. A 6 feet radius value has been given, and you can see that this circle is tangent with these lines. Press EX double enter and click on these lines. You will be shown that they touch these circles. Let's try it again. Draw, circle, tangent, tangent, radius. Click on one line, click on the other, give it a value of 3 feet. It fits in here. Thank you for watching this video. In upcoming videos I am going to tell you about all the commands of AutoCAD. Please visit our channel and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.